it's the Hunter Hoffman back with insane content! In this video, we're gonna add a little protection to the engine of the N3. And Mallow Industries was kind enough to sponsor the video. Let me show you what we're working with.
No weak points. Strong. Flawless design. Close to perfection.
But now, let's talk about the crank bolt capture plate by Mallow Industries. So this capture plate is secured onto the crank bolt of the engine to eliminate the chance of the crank bolt becoming undone, and also to minimize damage should the crank hub slip. To install this sexy capture plate, we're first going to free up some room from the bottom of the engine so that we can get to the crank bolt. So first get your car in the air with your car lift or your jack and jack stands if
You're broke!
So let's get it started. Alright, so we're under the car now and we're going to go ahead and remove a bunch of 8mm bolts so that we can remove these plastic panels and the skid plate. Huh? What the hell? Look at this! Damn! That's pretty insane! And to completely remove this panel, 2 13s. And to remove the skid plate, we're going to use a 16. Alright, so next up is the removal of this plastic panel. So we're first going to remove this oil line to create a bit more space. Then with the T25 we're going to bust these two loose. And then we should be able to remove that from the car. Alright, so now that we've removed that panel, let's go ahead and have a little peek at the crank bolts. So we're going to go up here and we're going to push this through and voila, there it is. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna undo those 8 bolts, install the capture plate around the crank bolt, and then screw it down with the supplied ARP bolts. Alright, so with an E10, we're gonna go ahead and remove the bolts of the harmonic balancer one by one. As it's very hard to see, obviously, enjoy some random footage of my friends on the screen. I do, however, have one of these so that I can have a good look. Yes. That's one. Oh yeah, I think I got it. Yeah. Look at that. There we have the first one. So 7 more times, so I will be right back. Yeah, okay. And that's number 8. My hands hurt, it's a bit tight in there, but it's doable. So this is where we're at now. So now let me put on the capture plate. Yeah, what about that? Oh no, that's not good. Nope, still not there. What about now? Oh yeah, baby, look at that. That's it, that's what we want to have. Alright, so that's the capture plate installed, as you can see. So now it's time to Loctite the new ARP bolts and get them all in. Alright, so here we have the supplied ARP bolts. ARP bolts are of super high quality, so happy to have received these. And here's the supplied Loctite. So we're gonna tear this open. And put a tiny smidge on here, like so. And thread this in by hand. Okay, that's one. Okay, this might take a while. Let me do the other 7 by hand as well, and then we're gonna torque them to spec in a star pattern. No, that was it. That were all the 8 bolts, hand tight. So let me show you how this looks. Yeah, look at that. Looking good, doesn't it? So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the torque wrench and then torque these bad boys to spec. All right, so torque time. Oh, okay, finally. That was quite the workout for the arms, but very doable if you have the right tools and a handy set of fingers. All right, so that's the capture plate installed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble everything off camera. So that was it, a little protection for the engine of the M3. A massive thanks to Mallow Industries for sponsoring the video. I'll put all their information in the description below. I want to thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Where's dit nou weer? This is from the engine. This fell out. I remember where this goes. This is one of the brackets of the O2 sensor. Unbelievable. Wat kom je doen? Oh, nee. Oké, ga maar weg. Doe maar. Strong. Ah, not so strong. Ow.